Good afternoon, everyone. Let us move towards the main program today. As the music begins, let us walk all through a world of elegance, beauty, and tradition. We all know dance is a profound medium for expressing the spiritual connection between nature and God. Dance is a medium of expression. Dance is a medium of joy. Dance is the medium of love to the spirit, to the God, to the divine. Let us welcome of the students of our school for the opening dance, Man Mandira. To treat to eye to watch this performance, I would like to request you all, please welcome the students of Ambedkar Public School with a huge round of applause for their performance, Mana Mandira opening dance.
मन मंदिरा ते जाने ओ मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजळून घे साधका मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजळून घे साधका संवेदना संवेदना संवादे सह